How to install Snapchat on Android. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to install Snapchat on your Android device. Whether you are new to Snapchat or just reinstalling it, it only takes a minute to get started. So let's jump right in. First, find the Google Play Store on your home screen. Once you find it, tap on it. Now tap on the search, and in the search at the top, type in Snapchat and hit search. Look for the official app by Snapchat. This is it. Once you see it, tap this install button. Download might take a few seconds to a minute depending on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, tap open and you can log into your existing Snapchat account or tap sign off to create a new one. And that's it, you have successfully installed Snapchat on your Android device. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip. Thank you for watching.